Hi, it's Julia again. Let's have another look at one of these French time name patterns. Okay, so this one, we've got a ta, we've got a couple of tates, and we've also got taffa-tiffy. And taffa-tiffy, remember, goes twice as fast as the tates. So let's see if we can say it together. Ready? Taffa-tiffy, tate, tate, ta. Say it again. Taffa-tiffy, tate, tate, ta. Can we clap it together? Taffa-tiffy, tate, ta. Patch it on your shoulders. Taffa-tiffy, tate, ta. Now I wonder if you can think of different fruits that have these patterns. So taffa-tiffy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. So see if you can come up with some different fruits for the tas, one beat, tates, and taffa-tiffys. See you next time. Bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoy these videos and find them helpful, just like and subscribe. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.